wearing a tie in your wardrobe to make it much more exciting? What about a tie or a bow tie? Let me show you how to rock your style. And this is Tania Sutherland. The pattern is available on my website shop, so you can actually create and sew your own tie or bow tie. I'll also put a link down below to a full tutorial on how to actually sew your own tie up. So just have absolute fun with your new looks. And if you like what I'm sharing with you, how about giving me some love? I totally appreciate it. Thank you. How about a thumbs up, a share, and press that subscribe button. Until next time, this is Tania Sutherland. Enjoy the video.